This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gourmet French toast. First, select a high-quality, thick-cut bread like brioche or challah for the best texture. Next, prepare your rich custard batter. Whisk together 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of whole milk, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and a small pinch of salt in a shallow dish. Ensure the mixture is smooth and uniform. Now, let's get those slices perfectly coated. Gently immerse each slice of bread into your prepared custard, allowing it to soak for about 15 to 20 seconds on each side. This ensures the bread absorbs enough liquid without becoming soggy. Next, heat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat, adding 1 tablespoon of butter. Once melted, place your soaked bread slices onto the hot surface. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. To truly elevate your gourmet French toast, presentation is key. Once cooked, transfer your golden slices to a plate. Dust generously with powdered sugar and arrange fresh berries, such as strawberries or blueberries, around them. A warm drizzle of pure maple syrup is classic, but a homemade fruit compote or a light lemon curd can also add a delightful touch. For an extra decadent treat, consider a dollop of freshly whipped cream. There you have it, a truly gourmet French toast experience, crafted right in your own kitchen. This recipe is a fantastic base, so feel free to experiment with different spices in the batter, or try various types of bread like challah or brioche for unique textures. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can help you think differently about your finances, along with other great deals. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.